Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer in Minecraft. We'll start by covering the basic steps involved in brewing your very own virtual beverages. First, you'll learn about gathering the necessary ingredients, such as wheat and water. Then, we'll go over crafting important tools like a brewing stand and glass bottles. By the end, you'll be ready to brew your first batch of in-game beer, a fun and creative process for any player. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need at least 3 pieces of wheat, which you can find by harvesting crops or breaking tall grass. Next, grab some water buckets from any water source. These are crucial for your brewing process. Finally, craft 3 glass bottles. To do this, place 3 glass blocks in a V-shape on a crafting table. With these items, you're well on your way to brewing success. With your ingredients ready, it's time for the brewing process. First, place your brewing stand and fuel it with 1 blaze powder. Next, put 3 water bottles in the bottom slots and 1 nether wart in the top slot. This will create 3 awkward potions. Finally, replace the nether wart with 1 piece of wheat. After a short wait, your awkward potions will transform into a fermented drink, ready for the next step. Congratulations, you've brewed your first batch. Now, the fun really begins with customization. You can experiment with various other ingredients to create different potion effects and flavors for your virtual beer. Feel free to share your unique concoctions with friends in your Minecraft world, adding a social element to your brewing. Remember, this is all in a virtual game, so enjoy your creations responsibly and have fun exploring the possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.